So we have all experienced puberty. We had to learn how to groom ourselves and how to shave and where to shave, but I don't think everyone knows where to shave. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 body parts that a man should never shave. Let's get into them. Number 1, it's legs. You don't want to shave your legs. There is no reason why a man should shave his legs. Like, there might be some exceptions, you know, but it comes with a lot of downsides, okay? A lot of people are gonna find it weird if you shave your legs, because you're the man, so men don't shave legs. If you're gonna shave your legs, be mindful about the fact that it's gonna be painful. Most people are probably gonna find it weird, and it's gonna grow right back up, okay? So it's gonna be hard work. If you're gonna want to maintain shaved legs, like, you need to be aware that it's gonna take a lot of time. And it's gonna take a lot of effort, and you're gonna have to do it like at least once a week or once every 2 weeks, because it's gonna grow right back up. So I don't recommend shaving legs, so don't shave legs. And I think even most people and most women find hair on your legs attractive, so there's no need for you to shave your legs. Number 2, your arms. I don't shave my arms. You can see that there's a lot of hair. I'm kinda a hairy guy. I have a lot of hair. But fact is, if you want to shave your hands, it's gonna be the same thing with your legs, okay? Most people don't need you to do this. If that's your preferation, that's fine. That would be okay. But if you want like smooth hands, or if your partner prefers smooth hands, then I definitely say you could have shaved hands for them to be more smooth. But honestly, I don't recommend it, because it's the same thing with your legs. It's gonna be probably painful because it's a lot of skin that you have to shave. Also, it's gonna be hard work because you're gonna have to shave it at least once per 2 weeks, and it's gonna grow right back up, right? So I don't recommend shaving your arms or legs because it's a lot of work. People don't need you to do this. A man with hair on his hands and legs is attractive in my opinion, and he should not shave it. Number 3, it's your eyebrows, okay? If you are gonna shave your eyebrows, like, you're gonna look like a child. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you, like, that's immature. Shaving your eyebrows is absolutely immature, and you don't want to do that. No matter who you are, no matter what you want, how you want to look like, you should not do it, okay? Even women should not do it. Nobody should ever shave their eyebrows. That's immature, and it's gonna make you look really foolish, I could say. So don't shave your eyebrows. If you want to maintain somehow your eyebrows, or if you want to remove some hair of your eyebrows, then what I can recommend is to pluck them, okay? You can still pluck them, but I would never shave your eyebrows, because that's not a great thing to do in my opinion, and a lot of people are not gonna find it attractive. They're gonna perceive you as someone that is weird and that doesn't know how he can groom himself. It's your armpits. This is a little bit controversial, because a lot of times when you don't shave it and you don't do anything about it, you have this huge bush right here, and then when you raise your hand, everyone can see it, and it doesn't look really great, okay? If you have a huge bush in your armpits, never do that. I would never even have like a huge bush in my armpits, but you don't want to have like huge hair right here. You want to maintain it. So just make sure that the hair is maintained. You don't have to shave it, okay? If you're gonna shave it, like, again, it's gonna be painful. It might be painful if you don't have a completely new razor, and even with a completely new razor, you can cut yourself. Especially with razors, like, you can always cut yourself, and so I think it's better to trim it. You can trim it with a trimmer, okay? Grab your trimmer and just trim the hair that is in your armpits. Set 1 or 2 inches to make sure that you remove most of the hair, but I will keep some of the hair in there because I think that's pretty healthy and it's nothing bad. But having a huge bush right here is not a great idea in my opinion, so I would not do that. I would just remove the hair with a trimmer. That's it, okay? And finally, your hair on the head, alright? You should never shave your hair on the head. Hairstyle, we have scissors for those things. We have a trimmer. Use a trimmer if you want short size, or even neck hair. You can shave your neck if you want to, but like, I wouldn't really recommend it. You can always use the trimmer, okay? Use the trimmer, trim your neck, around the neck, trim your hair, and for the top, use the scissors, okay? Use scissors, use water, use shampoo, but not your razor, and don't shave it. Don't shave your hairstyle. I don't really think that that's a good idea to do. Trust me, I think with a trimmer and scissors you can do much better on the top here than with some razor and with shaving. That's all for me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned something new, then my job was successful here, and I'm glad you learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.